Hello, and welcome to Fusion Writing, where building character meets creating structure. This is our Zettelkasten week, and we've got some fun planned for you in Zettelkasten week. So without further ado, I'll let Victoria get us started. Victoria?
Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Zettelkasten week. This is where we get to kind of be loose and play it fast and free and just have some fun. So, for my compass, the direction we're headed is we're going to take that protagonist and that villain that we've developed over the last couple of weeks. And for our Zettelkasten exercise, I'm going to walk you through some ways that you can relate those two things together so that not only are they interrelated in your note box, but they start to become even more interrelated in your mind, which is going to help your writing process. Because you may recall, we started with our protagonist and then we wrote our villain as a counterpoint to him. So we want to reflect that in the way that we install those cards in our note box and the way that we work with them. So come back tomorrow for the map because that's where we're headed. And I think you'll find it super useful in the way that you think about these characters and the way that it allows you to get to writing them. So back to Kathleen.
Oh, thank you, Victoria. I'm sure looking forward to that. Well, my area of the Zettelkasten for this time, we're going to focus on that character trait of humility that we've been working on all month. And we're going to talk about how you're going to Zettelkasten a character trait. And so we'll talk a little bit about some of the things that you might want to make cards about, some ways you might want to think of your character trait. And we're going to take a look at a main card from my system on the character trait of humility, just as a way of getting us started. So come on back tomorrow for the map, and we'll get into our fun of Zettelkasten week. See you then. Bye-bye.